we have seen almost all the students have reported, maybe one or two specific cases who may not have reported. And then we have also visited the classrooms, as you have seen. We are quite happy the students are all wearing masks. And at the same time, we realize that the distance, social distance may not be 1 meter as expected, but they are fairly distanced. And considering that they are wearing masks, we see that the children are safe. We have visited several schools in Nairobi, in Kiambu, and now this is the first school that we have started here in Murang'a. We'll expect by the end of tomorrow, we'll have visited not less than 14, 15 schools. So we believe that the children are safe, and the Ministry of Education have really done a commendable job. They have prepared all these washing areas that you see, and generally the students are safe and they're happy to be back to school. In all the schools that we have visited, we have not found any student who is positive. We have not found any teacher who is positive.